So welcome to my channel. Okay, I will teach you in this video what is market or future trade. Okay, listen, I want a trade in future. I will not tell that how to make money from future. I will show broad aspects now how the future market works. Okay, mean in this video I will teach about market. Okay, not teach that how to make money in future trade. I will just explain in this video about the mathematical standpoint of future trade. I am want here the practical real world type applications. I will teach you how market works. So keep in mind future have high benefit. Let's go to my desktop screen and let's starting. So welcome to my desktop screen. What is the future market? What is the purpose of future market? What is go on? What's we know that how to make money from that? In this first class I will start from market. So looking at definition. So the first being future, what's future actually work? Something that will exist or happen at a later time. So Tuki has make here something and happen at a later time. So what means something and exist happen at a later time? And the next 40 is just a market. Market, a meeting together of people for the purpose of trade. A meeting together of people for the purpose of trade. So future market is something in this something is just happen at a later time, and market meaning together a pupil. So in simple words, market is gathering of some pupils. So market is meeting together of people. So the logical question then become in this time in your mind, who is these people? So keep in mind there are two main people that must be involved for a market to exist. One person does not make a market, who these people involved in market that must is. So look up have a market, one have buyer and the second have a seller. So the next is that what is the purpose of their meeting? And is the market these two pupils, buyers and sellers. So let's looking at a next part. So in this time the deal has been made. What is the something of this deal? An agreement for a transaction to take place at a later time in the future. So what is something of this deal? So deal has been made, an agreement for a transaction to take place at a later time in future. So what is transaction? What is the kind of transaction? So in this story the buyer have producer in this market. So in simple word, the buyer is the producer of that market. Let's say the buyer in this story have main factor and main producer. So if the buyer buy sour page, so the buyer is the main gradient of the package. So I have buy a sugar of $150, and the other part of this market who have been talked to you. So after that the seller have produced sugar. So the seller have been look at the proposal. So seller, I will produce 100 pound sugar. So in next video I will start from here, mean I will continue from that. Okay, so anyone can have a question in this topic or any issue, they can tell me in a comment section. Okay.